After 20 years in the security business, it's becoming harder than ever to bring you the truth. The anti-gun and cancel culture movements, along with big security companies, want you to believe that a security system is your only answer to your safety. You need real solutions from real people with real security. SecurityAllStar.com understands that a security system's primary function is to warn you about an intrusion so you can properly respond to mitigate a threat. Yes, if you're not home, it will still warn the authorities that your home or business has been broken into, or that there's a fire, but it's not your primary weapon against intruders. You have to have a plan. The big security companies tell you that the average time for the police to respond is about 3 minutes. Your whole world can change in 15 seconds. You need to be ready to know what to do and how to respond with a criminal in your home. In all honesty, the average time for the police to respond is much longer than 3 minutes. Yes, we can still automate your lights, your door locks, and your garage doors with all the cool features you expect from a high-end security and automation system. But we add a double layer of military-grade encryption, unlike most consumer systems. For real solutions from real people with real security, contact SecurityAllStar.com today for a free quote on how to stop a criminal in their tracks.